Welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to fix the party joinability setting in Fortnite. This is a common issue that many players are experiencing and can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, because I'm here to help you out. So let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is open up Fortnite on your device. Once you have done this, go into the Settings menu and select Joinability. Here you will find the option for party joinability. This needs to be set to either friends only or public invites only in order for other players to join your party. Select one of these options and then save your changes. It could be a bug. Bugs in online games are not uncommon and developers often release updates to fix them. Alternatively, you can try logging out of your Epic Games account and logging back in, as it might resolve the issue temporarily. However, it's worth noting that this is not a guaranteed solution and the problem could still persist. You can try restarting your device or uninstalling and reinstalling Fortnite as a last resort if nothing else works. Don't forget to like this video if it helped out, subscribe for more awesome gaming content just like this one, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you all next time.